So, hi children, in that previous video we learned that different methods, 4 methods we learned, no? So, now here in this video we are going to discuss about that roots, okay? So, here let us take that, let alpha comma beta are the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, let alpha comma beta are the roots of a quadratic equation. Then see here, so roots of a quadratic equation, we know that here the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and here a not equal to 0. We know this one, right? So here x is equal to, we know that Sridharacharya's rule, right? Quadratic formula already we discussed that. So what is that? X is equal to Sridharacharya's formula here minus b plus or minus is there, no, which means by taking plus we are getting one of the root, by taking minus we are getting another root. So here minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 4ac by 2a. This is one of the root. And here another root is x is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the second root. Am I clear to you? Now here they given that alpha and beta are the roots of, okay, those two are the roots means those two satisfies the value, which means here then alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is one of the root. Actually by simplifying this one we will get one of the value. That value we are saying that is the root of that given equation. So that root is the value of x. Am I clear? So here x is equal to alpha. So alpha how we will get? By simplifying this formula. Okay, so that's why here alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And here beta is equal to the second root minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Am I clear to you children? So here alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Am I clear? So here let us see that. So two roots are there. Now here the first one is sum of the roots. We have to check that as sum of the roots. Okay, so sum of the roots means what are the two roots they given here? Two roots are alpha and beta. So here sum of the roots means alpha plus beta value we have to find out. Okay, so alpha plus beta. So alpha is equal to what we taken? Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, plus beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, alpha plus beta. So which is equals to, here take the LCM. So LCM of those two roots. Okay, so here 2a is there, here also 2a is there. So LCM is also 2a. Am I clear, ma? So from this one, so here the denominators are same, so that's why denominator as it is we written. Now how to add that numerators? As it is we can add it now. So that's why minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac. Here plus into minus, so that is minus b plus into minus, minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so from this one, here plus term and minus term gets cancelled. Clear? So from this one, minus b, so that is minus 2b by 2a. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so here minus b by a. Okay, so this is the value of alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Am I clear, ma? So sum of the roots of that quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So sum of the roots is minus b by a. So directly here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then directly sum of the roots we can write that minus b by a. Understand? So one example I will tell you, see here. We know that already this example, this is known example only, no? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So roots means already we know that roots are 2 and 3. Why? Because already we simplified that. Okay. So just keep this one as 2, 3 are the roots, we know that. Okay, ma? So see here, as per this, by using this formula, here sum of the roots I am asking. So alpha plus beta, sum of the roots. So sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a. So here b is equal to minus of minus 5 by. Here a is equal to 1, no? So 1. Minus into minus is plus 5 by 1, which is equals to 5. Okay. So that is plus 5. Am I clear, ma? So we know that the roots of this equation is 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So by adding that roots, then also we are getting the same value. Am I right? So here also we are getting 5. So without finding the roots also we can say that what is the sum of the roots of a given equation. By seeing the roots only we can say that. Okay, when we can say, if you know the formula, then only you can say that. Understand? Yes. Now here this is related to sum. Now difference. So the second one. Difference of the roots. Okay, so difference of the roots means here alpha minus beta. Okay, so here alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and here minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now simplify it. So what is the LCM of these two values? Again we are having same LCM, right? So here the LCM is 2a. Okay, now its numerator minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac, and here minus into minus is plus b, again minus into minus is plus square root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so which is equals to minus b plus b gets cancelled. So here 2 times of same term is there. So that's why 2 into square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we can write this one as modulus of square root of b square minus 4ac by a. Why, madam, here you kept that modulus symbol? Modulus symbol means that is absolute value. Am I right? Absolute means always positive. But inside the value we don't know that. Okay. Modulus of x means here modulus of x value is always positive. We know that. But what is the value of x? How we know that? X value is a positive they given or negative they given. How we know that? We don't know that, right? So that's why here that is depends on that given equation. Okay, ma. So that's why here if it is a positive, then positive only. Okay, if it is a negative, then also positive only. Okay, so that is the meaning. So here this is the value of alpha minus beta. Am I clear? So example, see that x square minus 5x plus 6. We know the roots 2, 3 or 3, 2. Okay, whatever it may be. So here I will tell you the difference here. See why? Because I kept that modulus. See that. So alpha minus beta is equal to modulus of square root of, here see, b square means 25 minus 4ac. Here we know that, right? How to write? So by 1 by a. So by 1, which is equals to square root of 25 minus 24. Okay, so which is equals to here square root of 1, which is equals to 1. So children, here like this I taken, right? So here 2 minus 3, here 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to plus 1. So in this case, here roots are same, 2 and 3 only. Okay, so if you take the 2 as first one, so 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And if you take in the 3, then 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So positive 1 is there, negative 1 is there. So if you keep that modulus symbol, then the value always positive. Understand? So that is the difference. So this is the formula for that alpha minus beta. Okay. Now next we will learn about that product of the roots. Product of the roots. So product of the roots means here alpha beta. Okay, product of the roots alpha into beta. So which is equals to, here we know that alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, into minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so product of the roots which is equals to, here just observe the children, here minus b is one of the term, b square minus square root of b square minus 4ac is one of the term. So here also consider like that only, minus b, and this is one of the term. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b form is there. So that's why a plus b into a minus b is equal to a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We know this formula, right? So here minus b whole square a square minus b square. So b square minus 4ac whole square, a square minus b square by 2a into 2a is equal to 4a square, which is equals to, this is b square minus of square and root gets cancelled. So b square minus into minus is plus 4ac whole by 4a square plus b square minus b square gets cancelled. So which is equals to 4ac by 4a square. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled, a and a gets cancelled. So here one time there. So which is equals to c by a. Okay. So the product of the roots is equal to c by a. Understand? So let us see here. Example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. The roots already we know that 2 comma 3. Okay ma. So here alpha comma beta, I mean alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So product of the roots is equal to, here c is equal to 6, a is equal to 1, which is equal to 6. Clear ma? So here product, take that 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So getting the same answer or not? Understand? So without doing this all the process, by directly what are the sum of that roots, for product of the roots, the difference of the roots, directly we can find that. Understand? So in this video we learned that 3 formulas. What are those? One is sum of the roots, the next one is the difference of the roots, and the next one is the product of the roots. So in that next video we are going to learn about that. Here for example roots are given. Okay, now we know that sum of the roots and product of the roots. So if the roots are given, then how to find the equation? Okay, so that one we will discuss in that next video. Thank you all.